Who's not okay? I'm not okay. Who's not okay? I'm not okay. Refreshing the page and I'm not okay. Guess who's not okay? I'm not okay. It's Ikon Save You. Hi guys, what's up? It is me, Iconic in Spirit, also known as Nicole, and I'm currently downloading Ikon's Airplane music video because that was the first one that they uploaded, and I had a plan. I was gonna watch Be Them Tall first, and then I was gonna watch Airplane, but I guess I'm gonna watch Airplane first because honestly, it is here, it is in my possession, so that's gonna happen once it's done downloading, and I love the fact that Ikon, their name is now Iconic, their fandom name is now Iconic, so I am now Iconic in Spirit, which is 2 fandom names. I intended to do the in spirit thing. I tended to be like, like an Iconic in Spirit, because Infinite are like my top group, so I was like, Iconic, you can be like an Iconic, like, you know what Iconic means. So I decided to, be Iconic in Spirit. Now I'm literally Iconic in Spirit. Oh my god, okay, it's done downloading, oh my god, I can't believe it. Okay, this is a thing, I'm shaking. This is a thing, I'm gonna do this now. I'm going to watch Airplane. I'm not ready. Before I start, Donghyuk, what am I saying? Okay, I'm really nervous. I'm really excited to hear Donghyuk's part because there was the teaser with the la-di-da-di-das, and I don't think I said this because I reacted to my type, and I don't think I said that Jinwon was my bias, but Jinwon is my bias, and Young and Donghyuk are wrecking my bias list currently, because what's bias list. And okay, yes, I talk really, really fast, especially when I'm like all hype, and oh my god, okay. 3, 2, 1. Airplane. Mother effing airplane. Ben. Yep, that is Bobby. It all looks so good coming. That's the part. There's a little story going on here. Junwei, you need to get out of my life. My child. I hate this. Warrior Chenmu. I hate Donghyuk. Why is he ruining my life? Sing it, my love, sing it. Your fluffy hair, I love you, Jinwon, I love you. Comments like, well then. Wait, has you done sing? I don't remember. You're so beautiful. What's going on? I'm looking for this casually trying to win the girl over thing, and I was like, oh, I'm just gonna casually put my arm around her, and oh, I'm just gonna casually interrupt her moments. And, oh, poor Humban. Is that it? Oh, 9, 8, 30 seconds left. I'm a smidge, there's only like one thing I think that I'm disappointed about. And that would be the fact that Chanwoo didn't get to act at all, because I was just like, I remember seeing that there were probably going to be some acting, and I was like, can Chanwoo act? Because that's what he's known for, or that's what he was doing before he came into Ikon. And I don't know, I love the song. We have to refresh. Rhythm Ta is out 2 minutes ago. Okay. How else on Rhythm Ta? Okay. I love the fact that anytime I question whether or not someone's saying, like 2 seconds later they sing, and I'm like, it's like I feel it, it's like I know it. It happened with my type. I was like, where's Chanwoo? And then Chanwoo sings, and then I was like, have I heard Yoonyoung? And then Yoonyoung sings, and Yoonyoung, Dongyak's la-di-da-di-da. That's all I can remember right now is the la-di-da-di-da, because I'm so in love with the la-di-da-di-da. But that was such a good music video, and now I'm not ready for the hype. But I'll catch you guys later in a bit at my Rhythm Ta reaction. So if you like this reaction, thumbs up, subscribe, comment, let me know who your bias is. Mine is Gen 1. Let me know who wrecks your bias list. Mine's Dongyuk and Yoonyoung, and basically everyone. Thank you for watching. Bye!
너를 감싸는 하늘이 싫다